Welcome to the Travelling Tonters YouTube, everyone. Dylan, Caitlin, Nash, travelling around Australia full time. Follow along for our epic journey, guys. See ya. Rightio, we're back, baby. Back for another episode here. We finally hit the Great Ocean Road. Yeah. It's been a long time coming. We always wanted to come here. And we live pretty close as well to it. We never come, so we finally made it.
Here we are.
Staying in Aireys Inlet at the moment. Right next to, around the twist, lighthouse. There it is.
Yeah, is it? Do you actually
Yeah,
see
yeah.
that?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, I looked it up. It's called Split Point Lighthouse. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this is where they filmed around the twist. So, righto, see you around a bit. Show you around the Great Ocean Road. See what there is to see. Apparently there's heaps, so pretty excited. Pumped up. Catch ya.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days.
Well, that was a bit disappointing, wasn't it, mate? Hey, how come?
Why couldn't you go up? You tell everyone why.
How come you weren't allowed to go up the big lighthouse?
Because you're only...
You have to be 5 to go up there. I'm not sure why. It's a bit silly, I think. But anyway, what do? You don't make the rules. Yeah, if you come in here, got kids under 5, you can't go to the top. Anyway. On the basic dinners tonight here, some meatballs for Nashy boy. He gonna try them under the grill tonight. We don't have an oven in here, so he doesn't like them cooked on the barbecue or the fry pan. Believe it or not, he's very picky. And for us, just the old sweet potato, broccolini, bit of the old packet pasta, corn straight on the barbie, and chicken snitties, mate. Chicken snitties, and might mix up a bit of gravy, bit of sauce on top, maybe. That's it, mate. Look at that. So simple. Caitlin's happy with it. There's that background. Oh, the sun going down, schmeck.
Oh, that is so nice.
Anyway, simple dinner. Make it simple. That's the go. See ya.
Good morning.
What's up, buddy people?
We are en route to Lorne. We're going to spend 3 nights here, and there's some waterfalls nearby.
Bit of golf and Sarvi.
Golf,
Quick
the
9 holes.
Sarvi. And yeah, just sort of see what happens. We've never been here, so we will keep you posted on our whereabouts. Enjoy.
That's it, pretty much set up here. Jag this spot, give us a double sight because we're too big. And look where we are, right? The river, mate. How's that? Throw a line in the Sarvi, I reckon. And see on the Erskine River, this is. Probably no fish in there. I doubt I'll catch anything apart from a rock, like usual.
Tree, maybe.
A tree. Nash will probably catch something. You reckon, mate? Catch a fish?
Yeah.
Yeah? What kind?
Maybe a buffer fish?
A pufferfish.
Good call.
Probably is a pufferfish in there, I reckon. It is a cracking day in the old Victorian. What are we on? The Great Ocean Road. Mate, weather's unreal. About 18, 19 degrees.
Probably.
Sunny, warm. Feels like I'm in Queensland again.
We may never leave.
Old Lorne reminds me a lot of Queensland, a bit like Coolum. Unreal. Bloody beautiful, mate. Loving it. Out in the pier. Yoo-hoo. What do you reckon, buddy?
Yeah.
Wind him up.
Yeah.
Having a fish down here at the river. Caravan's just there. Yeah, beauty. I don't know if we're going to catch much. Anyway, we're using the pillies. Water's a bit dirty. Ocean's just out there. We're on the pillies. You get a bite, mate, or not? Nah. Righto. You remember how to cast it? Remember how to cast it back here? Alright, I'll film you casting, alright? Here we go. Let's see if you can still do it. Alright, mate. Rip in. Good work. That was awesome. That is sensational, mate. Great fishing. Morning all.
Morning.
Ashley, morning.
Say good morning, everybody.
Morning.
I said good morning, everyone.
We're going for a hike into, I think it's called Shoke Falls today.
We don't really know how to pronounce it.
Shoke. It's
She-oak.
it's a pretty easy one. Grade 3, 700 metres, 15 minutes, one way. And
Peace
that's about it for you. So
And we'll be piggybacking him the whole way. I'm
we'll
sure
be
of it.
back again. Yeah,
Keep you posted.
keep you posted. Catch ya.
Look at this beautiful view. Is it beautiful? It's so beautiful.
So far, so good. No piggybacking today.
Be too soon. We're having a debate right now.
We're having a bit of debate right now. Nearly there. Just had a look at the falls. Heading to Shallow Cave. See what's at Shallow Cave. How you going, Nash? You right, mate? Still Still got heaps of words to say this morning, which is good. Oh, this is Shallow Cave. Yoo! Pretty easy to get to, a few stairs, but nothing too hard. Piece of piss, mate. Come have a look. It's pretty good.
Here we are out in the pouring rain of beautiful Lorne. How you going, mate? You catching anything? Nah. Is it fun though?
Well,
Uh-oh. Wound it up too much.
Whoopsie. We wanted to go fishing. It's raining. We've been inside a lot.
Yeah.
When a 4-year-old wants to go fishing in the rain, you just put the raincoats on and away you go.
Oh.
And I'm testing out, where are they? My new blunnies for the first time. And I like shoes that don't get wet.
Big lazy start today. It's about 11:30 and we're just getting out of the van. The weather's been pretty shitty though. Raining all morning. It's about 13 degrees, 14 degrees. Got the old hair trimmed. Got Caitlin give it a trim in the van. And now we're just out for a walk. Gonna go to the beach, check it out still, even though it's crappy. And then we might head into town and have a look around and
Something to eat.
something to eat and probably get another ice cream, I reckon. Don't know.
14 degree day.
Maybe out of another waterfall or something, we'll see. Don't know. The unknown.
If there's rocks to climb on, that's where you'll find them. We cannot go anywhere without finding some rocks for the boss to climb on. Although we don't mind it because we quite enjoy it, don't we, mate?
Yeah, it's good. I was going to say too, we're staying in the Lorne Foreshore Caravan Park here. There's about 5 caravan parks around Lorne under the same name. We're in the Erskine River one. There's one across the river. It's called the Top Bank Caravan Park as well. We went up there yesterday. It's sort of pretty packed in there and pretty tight spots. I don't know, for us we kind of like the one we're in now, so if you're coming here, the Erskine River river one.
Yeah, there's not like too many spots where we are, and they're all essentially right on the river, aren't they?
Yeah.
So it's really cool. Like Nash just fishes the whole time, like it's right there, like you're not really going to fall in. I mean, you could, but
About a 2-minute walk to the beach, and then same into town still, so nice and close to everything.
it's awesome. It's a really good spot, actually. I really recommend it.
They even gave us a double site because van was too big for some of their sites, so pretty accommodating I thought, which is good.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I mentioned that to you. If you come here, you got a big van.
We leave tomorrow, which I'm quite sad about, actually. But hopefully we can get away from this stingy type weather.
Off to Bimby Caravan Park tomorrow down at the Otway.
Oh, is it down to the Otway? Yeah,
Otway
right.
National Park down there. So yeah, it looks pretty sick down there. Pretty keen to look at some spots down there. It'd be good.
Yeah, epic. Alrighty, have a good day.
Yo. Righto, we're on the move again today. Off to Bimby Park in the Otway National Park down there. Right down the bottom of Victoria. Just on for going for a quick stroll along the beach here. Obviously, you can see. Go back and pack the van up. About an hour and 25-minute drive, so not too far, which is good. And then, yeah, down there for a couple of nights. Have a fire down there, so I reckon I might do a bit of a cook up. I bought some ribs yesterday. Do some ribs in the camp oven. And then, yeah, I think there's another lighthouse down there and a few other things I'm pretty keen to check out, so that'd be good. Yeah, check this out. Unreal. Going on? We left Lorne this morning. A couple of hours, no, about an hour and 20-minute drive to Lorne. Past a couple of people that we follow and know that on Instagram. They just hit a big deer apparently on the road, on the Great Ocean Road there.
Nash has hightailed it to the park already.
Stupid thing keeps falling out. Trusty step. This side. Any flap kit. If you haven't fit one of these to your van, the anti-flap kit, I highly recommend you do. When we were in Bateman's Bay, I didn't put it up and then we left it was nice and come back. Weather was shit house and the awning was all bent up and gone. So, I should have just taken the 5 minutes to put it on and it wouldn't happen. So super easy to do, super easy to install. So. Like that, mate. It's the what is it? Aussie Travel anti-flap kit. It's a must, I reckon. One of these. Sure. Takes 5 minutes. Takes about 20 minutes to bloody install them. A couple of brackets up along the wall there. Drill a few holes in your barrel. And that's it. Piece of piss, mate. What's going on? Up at the top of the lighthouse.
And Dad,
What?
and
Yeah.
that's where the dog goes up there if you turn the lighthouse on.
That's where the guard goes, is it? Turn the lighthouse on, you reckon? Pretty cool, isn't it? Let's walk around. Come on, let's have a look. Big lazy arvo today. Not too much going on. We
That
got
when
back.
see the lighthouse.
Where'd we go?
See the lighthouse.
Yeah, we did. We went to the Otway. I've been saying it wrong the whole time, so all the other videos you'll be thinking I'm an idiot.
Embarrassing.
I've been saying Otway, but it's Otway.
Mine's
The Otway light station. It well, it's a bit pricey for what it is. It's about $20 an adult, and it's free if you're under under five. I think it's like $15 if you're over 5. But yeah, our thought on it was a bit pricey, kind of thing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit. But anyway, it was still good. Like, there was good walk up lighthouse. Nash liked it, didn't you, mate?
Oh, it was beautiful
It was
view from the
beautiful
top of the
view.
lighthouse, for sure. You can go up the whole lighthouse.
Yeah, you walk up.
Yeah, it was so nice up there, but probably not for $40.
Yeah, probably not for $40, but you're out here, you come this way, you got to go and do it right. But yeah, that's us for the RV. Gonna cook up a bit of beef stroganoff for dinner. I might even show you how to do that. Pretty easy meal for us. And then tomorrow I'll do the I'll get the fire going tomorrow and get the ribs on. Do a bit of slow cooked ribs, so be good. See you later. Bye. Bye, Noodle. Righto, like I said, super simple meal tonight. Beef stroganoff, some beef strips, bit of mushies, a few other spices and that. Dijon mustard and a bit of tomato paste and a bit of fettuccine. I'll show you how to do it along the way. And then little Nashi boy, what's he got? Some New Zealand whiting, frozen fish for him. The old trusty, can't go wrong. It's actually really good. If you haven't tried them, give them a go. Cook them in the grill for him. A couple of 4 pines on the way. And yeah, see how it comes up. You ripper! That's it, mate. Schmeck. Morning, out and about this morning, having a look at the beaches in Cape Otway. Just went to Blanket Beach or Blanket Bay, and now we're walking into Parker's Inlet, I think it is, something like that. So yeah, that's about us this morning. Pancakes for brekkie, bit of a play with the footy. That's about it. Catch ya. Like a glove. Might be a bit hot, I'll keep turning that a few times I reckon. She might get a bit hot. It didn't bite. Don't say ow. It's alright. Just a butterfly, mate. Just a pretty butterfly. Oh. See? Oh, there he goes. Bye, Mr. Butterfly. See how she looks, eh? Oh, smoke. Righto. See what we'll do next. Pull them off. Chuck them in here. Out somewhere. Is that ready? Chuck it back in. Ingredients, master foods. Pour it on. And crank it up. Crank it up. That's it. See how they come out. Look at the boys.
We're doing our final pack up here at Bimby Caravan Park.
Morning, y'all.
Where are we off to, mate?
Port Campbell this morning.
Port Campbell.
Yep, into the NRMA Caravan Park there. Go look at the 12 Apostles tonight, hopefully at sunset.
If it's not raining, because it's pretty...
Yeah, luck it's going to be overcast and shitty, but we'll still go. Have a look at them.
Hey there.
Hey, big boy.
Do you have anything to say?
What's up? Say, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Is that what you say? Yeah.
What about say good morning? Good morning, everybody. We've lost him.
Say something.
We'll get him. We'll break him by the end of the trip. Cool. Alrighty. Have a good day, and we'll see you in Port Campbell. All right, noodle box. I did something that was very, what I find to be funny. I played a prank on Dad, okay? So hopefully later tonight, when he goes to hop into bed, I'll be able to video him and see if it scares him or not. Okay, shh, you cannot say anything, okay? Promise? Pinky promise? Pinky promise? That you don't give that away today, okay? All right. Chuck me your pillow and I'll get rid of it for you. Thank you.
Alright, we got another helper. Look who showed up. Oh, Tyler, the big helper.
Boring. Didn't work, sucker.
Damn it! Now in Port Campbell, we came here specifically for the 12 Apostles. It is blowing. And it's freezing. And we should just keep going.
Might just keep going, eh? Nah, right. We'll go have a look at Lockhart Gorge after we set up.
Oh,
It's meant to be pretty nice there. Hopefully it's blocked from the wind. And then at, like we said earlier, at sunset, we'll go have a look at the 12 apostles. Anyway.
really clears up for us. It's not meant to rain. It's a nice blue sky, but gosh, it's cold and windy. But anyway, push through.
Just gotta keep going, mate. Keep going. How epic is this place?
It's really, really cool.
Lockhart,
Really cool.
Lockhart Gorge, mate.
I wasn't expecting it to be this cool.
That is cool. Massive too.
Freezing too.
Freezing. Not as windy though. Wind's up top. It's good. Right, you bunch of legends, that's it. That's the Great Ocean Road for you. From Lorne to pretty much Warrnambool. We're in Warrnambool now. And, but yeah, it's not to film to there, it's just to the 12 apostles. So, yeah, that was awesome. We loved it.
So good.
Get along the Great Ocean Road there.
Favourite spot?
12 apostles for me at sunset, and for you?
Lorne.
It
Yep.
was pretty nice there. Yeah, keep an eye out. We've got another one coming up soon. A couple of good things planned for the next couple of weeks, which should be good. So yeah, hopefully next week or something we'll have another one up for you. And yeah, hit subscribe, push the thumbs up for us, put some comments in if you like anything or whatnot. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Catch ya.